students. My name is Dany Kattan. I will be your new teacher for this semester of mathematics for grade 8. So this is our first class for this semester, and in this class, the first class, we will study about ratios, compare ratios. We will study how to draw a shape in square units, and we'll study a little bit about smallest multiple numbers. So for this, you need to have a pen and a paper, so you'll need to take example. You need to take note for the example, so it will be more easier for you to resolve the homework after. And any question, for sure I am here for you. So how it is important, the mathematic relation with COVID-19, that is the pandemic now, and everybody is speaking about COVID-19. So let's have some examples about it, how to calculate the ratios. So we have a family of 10 members in the same house. 2 of them has COVID-19. So if we will calculate the ratio of the contaminated person, we will use the following way. We will divide 2, that is the number of person contaminated. We will divide it per 10, that is the total of person in the house. So we will have an answer of 0.2. Another family, now another example. Let's say a family of 5 persons. One of them is contaminated with COVID-19. So the ratio will be 1 divided by 5. 1 is the contaminated person divided by the total number of the family. So it's equal 0.2. So if we compare 2 divided by 10 to 1 divided by 5, we have seen that we have an equal ratio. So 2 divided by 10 is equal 1 divided by 5. So now let's have another example. Let's say a family with 8 persons, one of them with COVID-19. So the ratio will be 1, that is the person contaminated, divided by 8, the total number of the family. That will give us 0.125. If we compare this with 0.2, is a lower number, so this ratio is not equal the other two ratios. So now we will pass to exercise number 2. If we need to draw a shape in square units, then we will use the following. Let's say our example, the smallest one, is a square with 2 square units. Will be like that. Here we have 2 square. 1, this is the first, and this is the second. And here the first is the second. So it will be 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is a square of 2 square units. If it will be 4 by 4, for example, will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like that, let's say. And the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll close it. And now let's talk a little bit about the smallest multiple numbers. I will give you 2 examples. The first example is 2 and 3. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we are going 2 by 2. It's like 2 multiplied by 1, that will give 2. 2 multiplied by 2, that give 4. So from each number to other will rise by 2. And now the multiples of 3 will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. They will rise by 3. So if we will take the smallest multiple of these two numbers, if we will see here, the number that is in common, the smallest number in common between the multiples of 2 and multiples of 3 is 6 here. So the smallest multiple of these two numbers is number 6. That is the smallest multiple of them. And here, let's take another example, the multiple of 6 and 10. If we will take the multiples of 6 is 6, 12, it will rise by 6. So you have 6 here, plus 6, plus 6, plus 6, plus 6, plus 6, plus 6, and so on. And now the multiples the multiples of 10. It's 10 will rise by more 10, more 10, more 10, more 10, more 10, and so on. So the smallest number here, the smallest number that is in common between the multiple of 6 and 10 here in this example is 30. So we will go like that. So I hope you have a, how to say, a pen and a paper, and you can resolve and you take some notes. And if you need something, you can ask me. And this is the class for today. Thank you very much.